find it. But here we are, game number 2. Currently, 1-0 yung series point. But, Manjin, based on the comps that you saw earlier, who do you think is gonna win this
Late
one?
game yung yung blue side, yung code
First blood.
Oo, yan yung gamit ni Correron ay yan si Gun and Mo. Burst type to mga to. So ito yung mga kumbaga ito yung mga sweeper. Kumbaga may ganong term. Pero yung kabila naman is I think very DPS type kasi yung hero nila Pay, mga ganyan. So, damage per second type sila. But basing on game number 1 and basing on the first blood, parang mananalo ata ang Team Prod.
I think so too, because like, based on the rotations pa lang, you can even see APX, look, you have 3
May
people gathering already. They got
Ayun,
the
Rebby.
Space Sprite.
Nakita mo yung ginawa ni yung mid lane, yung si Dopsika.
Yeah.
So, ginawa niya, clear niya yung mid, pumunta siya sa taas, nakipag-wave clear siya, tapos ginamit niya yung TP para makabalik sa mid.
Yep.
So, ano yun? Again, sinabi ko kanina.
Ganda ng lane
Oo.
prio niya.
Oo, ubusin mo lang muna, clear muna, tapos rotate tayo. Ganun yun. So, tapos kunin mo rin yung Casper. Tawag ko dun sa yung neutral sa taas, Casper.
Yung Space Sprite.
Ayun, buti ka nga, tawag mo
Diba?
Space Sprite eh.
I know the game. I know the game.
Ang tawag ko, Casper.
Alam ko, yung action niya is Space Sprite. And then you have the Dew.
May sarili akong tawag eh.
May Dew din sa Honor
may
of
sarili
Kitsu
ako.
Kill. Healing Dew.
Yung Healing Dew.
Healing Dew.
Ah.
See, may Dew sa ko.
Yung Healing Dew, yun yung ayun o, yun.
Yan.
Yun, yung nakukuha mo. Actually, pwede makipag-collaborate si Mountain Dew sa HOK. Gawin nilang
Diba?
Mountain Dew yun. Pwede.
True.
No? Kausapin mo na. Binabati ko si Sir Bench. Pwede bumati dito. Yan. Alam mo na. Healing Dew. Healing Dew
Healing
pala
Dew,
tawag
diba?
doon. No? May susulat na yan. No? Pwede. Pasok. Pasok sa branding. Anyways, ayan.
Oh my god. APX. They're parang super aggressive nila with their rotations. Like, not even taking a break.
Yung lapu-lapu kasi best may passive yan na pag dumikit siya sa'yo, may added defense ka pag getting low kayo.
Oh,
So,
I think
medyo
overstep.
kailangan mong kumbaga exploit yung passive na yun sa early game.
Kasi later on, not as strong.
Mas strong pa rin, pero syempre kapag na-exploit mo yun sa early game, mas snowball kayo. Mga ganon. So, pwede ka talaga mag-rotate. Ang important dito is yung jungle mo, ang important dito yung jungle mo dapat goods pa rin. Sa mobile kasi, ang jungle, carry. Unlike sa mobile PC, sa mga mobile PC, yung jungle medyo parang may pagka-roam yung dating di ba tol? Sa mobile MOBAs na nalaro ko, carry yung jungle.
I think
So yun yung pagkakaiba
sometimes
niya.
on PC also, kasi yung
Sometimes,
nasa
di
jungle,
ba, may damage.
parang dictates the flow of the game, how everyone is moving.
Siguro yung meta na naabutan ko, medyo roam jungle pa. Yung mga ganun, may mga stun, mga ganun.
Ayan, nagpo-proxy farm din sila. Wow.
So, medyo important yung wag ma-delay yung jungle mo. Meron ako natutunan sa isang coach ng MOBA. Sabi niya, ang hindi nakikita ng karamihan sa MOBA, merong hidden lane sa mobile MOBA. Yun yung jungle. So, merong mid lane, top lane, bottom lane. Pero pwede mong tawaging lane yung jungle kasi may rotation.
True.
May may priority ka, may kailangan kang makuhang number of objectives to get the XP and to get the levels, 'di ba?
And to set up for ganks.
To set up for
Diba?
games. So medyo hidden siya. Kailangan yung lahat ng lane mo, lahat ng players mo, kabisado din yung galaw ng jungler.
Yeah.
Paano siya pa-prioritize? So may ganun.
But you also have to set up for your jungler kasi you can't just have your jungler doing everything, diba?
So may reason din kasi ba't nilagay yung mga objectives yan, yung mga Casper, and tinatawag ko. So ganun. So interesting to Again,
Parang Tartarus is fighting back this game.
maganda kasi yung poke nila. Yun yung gun mo.
Wow.
Maganda kasi yung poke nila. Yun, mid lane, long range burst yun.
Super, the one with the twin.
Yes, the twin blades. Tawagin mo lang kung anong gusto mong tawag, Reby.
Twin blades.
Tawag ko dyan, Shadow Nails. Kasi medyo familiar siya sa PC MOBA. Yan. So, yun, Burst Hero yun. Yung gamit ni Correron. Yan, yung gamit ni Correron. Burst Hero yun. At maganda kasi yung poke nga. Yun yung sinabi ko. Yung poke dito nung Code Unknown, yung burst poke nila, maganda. Lalo na sa early. Kapag ganun talaga yung mga heroes mo sa early MOBA, ano yun? Pwede nyo mapanalo yung early game.
Yeah, I think early game, honestly,
Sa
Tartarus
sa,
got this.
sa FPS ba may poke? Walang ganun, di ba?
May poke, may abilities din.
May
I think
poke ability.
Iba depende sa
Iba kasi yung
FPS.
FPS na baril lang.
Oo.
Iba yung FPS na may skill eh, di ba?
Well, technically, pwede mo i-consider yung Molly as poke, di ba? May burn damage din. Or let's say,
So may ganun, may
Well,
poison.
may onting body shot that can be poke, you know?
Talaga, so poke ang term doon.
I think you can consider that as poke, di ba?
Yung mga burn yun. May poke yun.
Yeah, yung Molotov, di ba? I think you can consider that poke kasi you wouldn't long range siya and you're not putting yourself in
Hindi
danger.
kasi ako nag-FPS, nahihilo ako actually.
So
Kaya
fast.
MOBA talaga, na pass. Kaya pag nanonood ako, tinitingnan ko lang yung score.
No, I get it. I mean, even me, I originated din sa MOBA. So, moving to FPS is a super big adjustment.
Step up.
Yeah.
Ah.
Pero I think for me, yung more important part for me, especially sa esports, is I like the stories of the players, hearing their
Ayun talaga.
like yung sacrifices nila and everything.
Ah.
Like, oh, my parents didn't believe in me, pero now look at me. I'm
Storylines.
competing. Yan yung favorite part ko about esports. Kasi, you know, people look down on gaming. But then look, you can play things like this, you can join challenges like this, and there's
Yeah.
even a prize pool for this. And
Storytelling.
prizes.
Ayan na. Ayun.
Oh,
Ay nako, parang yung Team Prod parang Team Prod, yung kebab namin, Team Prod parang hindi ko alam kung mapunta yung kebab eh. Pero alam ko na order yun eh.
oh no.
Siyempre, nag-dinner na tayo kasi. Dinner.
Okay, they're fighting back. Pero
Yeah.
parang Tartarus is really like, they look like they're more in control this time. Also, who is the giant dragon?
Yung dragon si Long yan, si Ayuwin yan. Skill niya yun, ultimate niya yun.
Oh,
Na nagiging Jake Long. Kailan si Jake Long?
parang
si
familiar.
American
Parang
Dragon.
familiar.
Si American Giant. Hindi, legit. So si Long, yung basically yung skill niya, nagiging dragon siya.
Oh.
Tapos pag naging dragon siya, may immunity siya, pero pwede siya mag-landing. Pagka-landing niya may damage.
Naku.
So pwede siya lumipad, nakakatago siya sa terrain, may immunity siya for a duration of time. Tapos, meron siyang extra damage pagka-land niya for a duration of time.
Oh.
So pwede niyang gamitin yun pang-out.
Ah,
So
okay.
kanina nakita niyo yung pang-out.
Nag-fly out, yeah.
Problema niya doon, long cooldown yun. Kasi
Siyempre,
ang daya
ultimate,
naman nun,
yeah.
ang daya naman nun, makaka-out ka, makakalipad ka, may extra damage ka pag
True.
pagbaba mo, ganun. So ayun, namatay siya.
Yeah. I think parang ATX is taking control again. They pushed more lanes. Like bot lane, I think is even now, and they got the Tempest. Yeah.
Tempest Dragon, yes.
Alam ko yan.
Oh, wow, nag-review. Inaral yung mga pangalan ng objective. Tawag ko nga doon, Barney eh. Ang tawag ko doon sa Tempest Dragon, Barney. Tawag ko doon sa Sprite sa taas.
Spyro din.
Oh, Spyro!
Spyro,
Kasi
diba?
kamukha ni
Yun,
Spyro!
Diba?
Oo.
Parang grown-up Spyro.
Oo. So Barney, Spyro, yan yung mga tawag ko dyan. Alam mo, lamang dito na nakikita ko lang sa rotation, yung Apex Godlike. Alam nila
I
ginagawa
think
nila.
kahit like medyo behind sila nung una, you can
Yes.
still see that they know how to kind of take back control of the game.
Alam nila, macro game pa rin eh. The thing is, ang kalaban mo dito ay hit. Pero,
Wow.
ito, nakikita mo, sa laro na to,
Oh.
masisense mo rin na you don't give up the mid tower. Ganun nga yan sa Ichoke eh. The one who controls the mid controls the game. So, paunahan talaga ng clear mid.
Ano, they both have their towers up.
Ayan o, pa rin o,
Parang
nandyan pa rin.
in other MOBAs, you see the mid tower going down first.
Ito, you don't give it up. So, medyo sa Ichoke, ang difference niya, may dalawa ka kasing main objective eh. Nandun yung Overlord, tapos nandun din yung Spriteling, yung Barney, tsaka yung Spyro. So, yung Overlord, ang binibigay niya, push capability. May magsasamon na mga extra dragon. Yung Spyro naman, pang early yon kasi, yan yung Overlord.
Yeah.
May pang-push kayo pag nakuha niya yan. So, late game yan. Yung kabila, yung nakita mo, yan yung Spyro, yung kulay yellow, yung tinawag mong Spyro, binibigay niyan extra damage for a duration of time.
Hindi siya nagsistack. It's like you get multiple dragons.
Hindi siya nagsa-stack. Ibang
Oh.
game yon. Oo, but then again, But then again, magagamit mo yun sa early game. So kapag kunyari, nakuha nyo yun, meaning, pwede kayo mag-call, laban tayo.
Yeah, take advantage mo.
Oo,
Like,
kasi parang may extra item tayo.
oh no!
Ganon siya. Ayan, so yan, makikita mong kinukuha yan sa first 10 minutes or sa first 6 minutes ng game.
Yeah.
Sa first set, baka nga sa first 12 minutes, kinukuha pa rin yan.
Oh my gosh, wait yung comeback! No way!
Pag nakuha mo kasi yung yung Tyrant, pag nakuha mo rin yung Overlord, hihina yung damage mo pag kinuha mo yung isa eh. So, isa lang talaga pwede mong kunin.
Oh, so that way you have to choose.
Hihina yung damage mo dun sa, kunyari, kinuha mo yung Tyrant. Magkakaroon ka ng debuff na hihina yung damage mo dun sa Overlord. May ganon. So, or mas lalakas yung Overlord sa'yo. So, anyways,
Ano yung cute na, yung white thing?
saan?
May lumabas, pero it's gone now. Mamaya, if
Sige,
it comes
mamaya.
back again.
Pag bumalik, explain mo sa'yo.
But I think APX, they really I think they
Late
took
game,
control of the game. Yeah, the mid tower's gone and
Uy, may
everything.
replay pa?
Wow! Instant replay! Let's
Wow,
go!
may replay pa pala. Kakaibig.
Ayan, this is
Do
when
na
you
do!
know, this is when you know a prod is like, you know,
Team prod na talaga yung team prod.
it's
Sabi nila,
five stars.
galing nung game 1 winner, replayan nga natin. No? Galing no? Iba talaga. Damang-dama talaga. Ako team prod talaga ako all throughout.
Real.
Kahit sino pa kayo.
As casters,
As
you
casters.
always team prod.
Kahit parang bias na bias ako dun sa isang team. Kunyari, Team Philippines, laban, kunyari, kalaban nila, Team Indo. Kunyari, pag nanalo Team Indo game 1, Team Indo na ako eh. Sorry, Team Philippines. Laban na yun. Anyways, medyo may lamang na ng slight ang kupunan ng APX Godlike. Maganda sana next time malaman natin yung kung tagasan sila, no? Para...
Interview.
Kasi interesting. Itong mga to, alam ko, tropa sila sa Play the Do Tambayan.
Aww.
Part sila ng tropa eh. Hindi sila makasali dito pag hindi sila kasali dun sa Discord community.
That's true. So if you guys are watching right now and you guys aren't in the Discord server yet, make sure that you guys join kasi even if you don't have a full team, you can find their team in the server.
Oo nga, no? Yeah. Oo. Ang daming mga Discord friendship na nangyayari. Ang daming
May
mga
Discord friends ka ba? Like lifelong Discord friends?
naging
Or online friends?
real friends na naging Discord friends. Kasi yun na lang. Alam mo yun?
Reverse.
Eto na! Reby, parang pwede mong i-do the honors, i-call to. Baka final moment to eh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Wait, I
boy.
think it is gonna be APX.
Kaya!
Wait, that's the end already!
And the winner is APX Godlike! Sa Play the Do HOK Tournament.
Yeah, these are your first winners for the Play the Do Challenge. Our first winners, our first grand finalists.
History
Uh-huh.
has been made.
Written